I'm sure that you'll agree that making a lot of connections in a small space can be hard to do. In this video, you will learn how to wire up this rose and install it, and I promise that by the end, you will know if it's right for your job, or if you need another of our roses. Hello, I'm Laurie Smith, and today I'm going to demonstrate our 200mm multi-outlet ceiling roses. So today we're going to wire up a 200mm multi-hole ceiling rose. This is how it arrives. It comes complete with 3 cord grips. So we start off, we're going to wire up, and I've prepared the lengths. I've stripped back the cable 160mm. You always want extra length cables to connect up inside, and we'll post that one through the hole up to where I've made my marks with the black insulation tape. Then we'll do the next length, feed it up through, and finally the longest length. Our next job is to put on the cord grips, and I slide them down to where I've marked the end of the termination on the cable to the black insulation tape, and tighten the grub screw down onto the insulation tape. We'll do that for the other 3. Now, you'll see I've left the cross strap in place. At this juncture, I'm going to remove it. All the inner cores I've stripped at 15mm. So that's oversized, but you'll see why. So we'll remove all of the inner cores to leave the braided flexes bare. And next, we're going to connect up all the live wires together. Hold them together, and then I twist them together to form a good link. Next, I place my 4mm screw end terminator. See, it's terminated at the end, so it's just one-way entry. Tighten up the connection. And as a precautionary measure, I always do an extra bead of insulation tape to hold the wires together. In effect, it's a separate cord restraint. You'll see that leaving the long lengths of cables gives me plenty of room to maneuver, so there's no strain put on any of the wires. Now we'll do the neutral, and then we'll proceed with the earth. Now we have our ceiling rose all connected up, and you have your terminals ready for your electrician to terminate in with his live, neutral and earth. Now we take the cross strap. Now normally we would fix that to the ceiling first, and then we neatly push the cables round, and then simply tighten in the screws at the edge, marrying that up with the holes, and tighten down. And we'll do it this way as well. And there you have your stunning light fitting. At this point, I like to point out, people often want to hang, as this lady has ordered 3 different lengths. She'll want one of them pinned some way across the room. So we use our cord restraints, are often used for this. You fix the base up onto the ceiling, then place the cable in like that, and then the lid has a rounded cord restraint, and you can just tighten it down, giving a very flexible adjustment to your lengths of cable. In our range of 200mm multi-hole roses, we have a wide range of finishes and a wide range of numbers of holes available. So we have the brushed antique brass, polished copper, black, brass, rustic copper, bronze, which is a lovely dull matte finish, and then powder coated white. All these finishes are available in multi-hole options. If this rose is right for you, you can purchase it on this page. If not, why not browse our other ceiling rose options in this category? Thanks for watching, and please do get in touch if you need any help.